Are you someone who'd love to rent a place with your friends, or do you prioritize your privacy over everything else? Either way, you are going to love Millennium View's accommodation in Coventry, UK. The property comes with fully furnished rooms with a private bathroom and fitted kitchen spaces, making your stay more convenient than ever. If you are in the mood to socialize with your fellow residents, head down to the common areas like the games room equipped with foosball and ping pong tables, TV room, which is also available for you where you can snuggle up to enjoy the latest releases. Use the communal study rooms where you can brainstorm assignment ideas with your friends. Millennium View is only a 10-minute walk from Coventry University, a few minutes away from Coventry College and the National Mathematics and Science College. Since the property is located in the heart of the city, you'll only have to cross a road to visit the Coventry Transport Museum and the bus station. We're sure you'll be dancing your nights away here since the city center is super close to the property with pub crawls lined up. Overall, Millennium View sounds like the perfect accommodation to sign up for. So, what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com to book your stay today.